Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I want to talk to you about how you can brighten and enlighten your skin with the Osmosis latest product, the Perfection Pigment Correction. You know, I did a short video on this when it first came out, but now that I've been using it, I thought I would bring it out again and talk to you about a few other things that you don't see on other videos. I know there's some great videos out there, I've watched them, and just incredible information for you. And so I just thought I'd bring a little bit different side of it too. So this helps to inhibit the melanin production, and you're going to see in time you get a beautiful radiant skin. And it's so easy to use. What you want to do, you'll see there's two sides to it. You've got the amber color and then the pear color. So, after you cleanse your face, you can apply the amber side first and then the pear side next, and just either spot treat it on the areas that need spot treating, or if you have some issues, lightly put it on the rest of your skin too. They've got some different ways that you can use these products, and one of the things that I've done for my customers is I've got a link below, and I've listed them all on my website for you. So I've got the whole protocol for you. So so when you're done with the videos and you think, well, what did she say now? Just go on my video and it's right there for you. So I thought that would make it much easier for you. I know it makes it easier for me because I'm one of those people that I do better when I can read and just concentrate a little bit about it, aside from being shown what's going on. But also what I wanted to say too that I've been doing, I'm a California girl, and I call it the California chest. Everybody in California has a damaged chest. It's just part of our life here. But what I've been doing is applying the Rescue, and then I've been applying the Perfection on my chest. And it still has a long ways to go. So you're looking at it thinking, well, that doesn't look very good. But I can see it's kind of a little splotchy, which is it's breaking down, breaking this dead skin cells, helping it exfoliate, getting rid of that, and it could do the same thing for your face. So, when you're using a product for pigmentation, it's not just about, you're going to put it on, and yes, the spots do fade, but sometimes you might see a different transition with your skin while it's going through the process of the exfoliation and lightening and getting rid of it. It doesn't just do it right all at once and, the way you want it. It can do it this way. My chest has improved a lot. It's already looking better. But I figure after it goes through this process in time, it's going to just be really, really pretty. I'm looking forward to it. So there's so many different ways you can do this. If you're a stem factor lover, which many of us are, you would always apply stem factor first. That's what Osmosis recommends. And then you would apply your Perfection. And then you could follow it by the Infuse or the Boost to massage it in. Or you can also add one of the other products, Catalyst, if you want a little bit more lightening in the skin. Or Rescue. For me, I love Rescue. And the reason I love Rescue is it not only helps lighten and even the skin tone, but it's very healing, for those things that we all get on our skin, especially if you sun abused your skin in the past. So those are some of my recommendations. And again, it's all on my website. So I'd like you to go there and look at that and see and know that this is a really good product. I've been with Osmosis since the very beginning, and I was with Dr. Johnson prior. So I've been actually working with him for about 20 years. So we go way back together. And I know through his, watching him and knowing him all these years, his whole life is about skincare and bringing you the best products and good results. He's obsessed with that. He wants everybody to have nice skin, which is such a wonderful thing that I love about him. So if you have any questions, send me either an email, or you could call me on my toll-free number, and I'm happy to help you. And again, go to my website. I've got the link right down there, and then you could see exactly what to do. It gives you different alternatives, what to use with this, and if you need to use another product, it gives you different suggestions. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.